Hello guys, open na namin yung binili ng hubby. Speaker for me. Just the microphone. Ooh. So guys, oh. Yan yung binili niya sa akin. Speaker. Pakakantahin na niya ako guys.
Oh, there's the structure.
Ah, this is to put it here. Ooh, this is nice. Ah, that pala. Yeah, you can bring this one up. Somewhere. Wow. May handle siya guys, so it's nice. So, yan yung speaker na nabili niya sa akin guys. With microphone and remote. This is the remote. Control. Control and microphone. This.
Okay, this is
That's the, no, it's battery lab.
that's the remote.
It's Bluetooth.
Yeah.
I put the battery on this one. So we
Oh,
got
it takes
pressure,
batteries. This
guys.
takes batteries too. We need triple A's.
Maybe that one is here. Okay. Is that double A? Triple A?
Yes. And you need some for the microphone.
I think that's double A only.
No, they're triple. Look,
Can you see?
other
No,
way.
that's double A.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Well, I've got double A's inside there then.
Yeah. Right now, we get extra battery. Okay, put it there. Don't forget the extra battery.
Yeah. Oh, this charges by a cord. See, look, there's one.
Other one. See, I told you it's double. Wow. So it means he needs the battery, the microphone. We need to connect that one here.
Hello, hello, hello. Oh, okay. See, lights are on it.
Yeah, it's on. Hello. No, you need to unlock it now.
Because this goes in, yeah, this is going to charge into the power. But this goes into that. Yeah.
That one, then I will charge it first.
Yeah, go put it on charge.
Charge ko muna to guys kasi lubo.
Did the light come on?
Yeah.
Will let that
Red,
up?
yeah,
What colour was it?
red.
Oh, so it's got to go probably green.
Green?
Yeah, I'd
This
say
one?
read the book. What's the book? That's the warranty, I'd say.
How about the receipt? We need to keep that one or what?
No, I don't know.
Huh? There's one up there, right?
Oh yeah, there's a remote for that. There you go, love. What's that say about any buttons?
It's correct.
What's it say about buttons? That stuff? Let's put the Christmas tree together then.
Huh?
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree? Okay. This is the first one? No, it's not. So, yan.
Licking of Christmas tree?
Baby, come here. Throw this one to the rubbish. Oh, careful.
That's a little scene.
Put that under the box.
You're going to have to take that bottom thing off the tree.
At yan na nga mga idol, nag-aayos na kami ng Christmas tree ni Joe. Yan yung binili namin Christmas tree. Gusto kasi niya may Christmas tree din dito sa Australia. You like it here?
You're doing it.
Noon daw talaga mga idol, wala daw talaga silang Christmas tree dito pag Pasko. Pero nung nakatira siya sa Philippines, nasanay na siya na may Christmas tree. So yun na guys, tapos na yung aming Christmas tree. So ayan mga idol, tapos na rin namin ikabit ang Christmas tree. At ayan, nakakatuwa ng tingnan. May Christmas tree na dito sa bahay. At kulang na lang yan ay mga regalo. So sabi ni Job, mamili daw kami ng mga pangregalo mamaya. So aalis kami mga idol at bibili ng mga pangregalo. So ayan mga idol, lagyan natin ng regalo yan maya-maya mga idol. Nasanay na rin kasi si Job na may Christmas tree at may mga regalo tuwing Pasko. Kaya sabi niya, mamimili kami. Alis muna kami mga idol. Is that luck? Dinosaur?
Yeah, regular.
May I see? Wow, I like that. For present for Abraham.
Well, if you think it'll fit him, Abraham, come here.
$5 only, oh.
Turn around. Do you think that'll fit him?
$35. I like this clothes, Abraham, for you.
Dad, it's
This is nice, oh.
Mom,
Look good on you.
Mom,
Yep.
left Dad. Come over there, Dad.
Yeah, wait.
Let's get one of these.
Can I open it?
No, it's a Christmas one.
Oh. The tiger shop.
Well, that's a Christmas one too. How many are you going to have for Christmas? That'd be 10.
This
Well, put them
around
there
it.
then. Put them there then.
And I take these mushrooms, put it here.
Yeah, go on.
You have a Christmas hat or this one?
Whatever you think of. It's okay. Leave them like that. Bring the other three back. They got to come wrapped up.
At yan na nga mga idol, busy na kami sa pagbabalot ng mga pangregalo. At para lang to sa amin dito mga idol, sa mga anak ni Job at sa isang apo ni Job.
Which one's your favorite? What's your favorite? This one or this one or this one?
I like the tiger.
The tiger shop?
Yeah.
Like the taller one too?
Yeah.
Like the taller one too?
Right.
This car is crafted. This one's stuck in this one.
They're in here, but they're not in here.
Dad, I can do this like this. Dad, look at this.
No, the toilet lid.
This picture. Dad,
Yes.
who's the lead? It's a tiger shop.
Yeah. Hey, look, love, here.
So ayun guys, nakabalot na kami ng isa. So ayan mga idol, nakabalot na kami ng isa. At medyo marami-rami pa itong babalutin ko mga idol. Ito namang si Job mga idol, bumili ng napakaraming gift wrapper. Dahil ayaw niyang kakapusin kami sa gift wrapper mga idol. So, narap kami ng Christmas gift guys. At sa wakas mga idol, malapit na tayong matapos magbalot ng mga gift. At medyo napapagod na ako mga idol. Kasi ang dami talaga namin ginagawa nitong ngayong maghapon. At hindi ko na pinapatulong sa pagbabalot si Job mga idol kasi nagtatrabaho kasi yung kanyang umaga. At pumunta kami sa mall. So medyo napagod na talaga si Job. Okay, scenario 1. Lapit na tayo matapos, guys. At sa wakas mga idol, natapos na rin tayong magbalot ng mga gift. Tapos na guys. Nangala yung kamay ko. May mga regalo na tayo para sa ating Christmas tree. At ayan mga idol, nilagay ko na sa ilalim ng Christmas tree ang ating mga nabalot na mga gift. Ayan, medyo masaya na yung ating Christmas tree mga idol. And thank you so much mga idol sa support. And thank you for watching. And please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. God bless. Merry Christmas mga idol.